Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to add additional photos to your Airbnb listing. We will also put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up. If you already have an account, open the website airbnb.com/hosting. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the upper part of the page. Click on the option that says Listings. On this page, your listings will appear. Click on the listing you'd like to add photos. On the right side of this page, you'll see a section for all photos. Beside that is a plus icon. Click on the plus icon. A drop-down list will then appear. On the drop-down list, you'll see an option for Add Photos. Click on Add Photos. On the pop-up window, you could drag and drop photos. Or click on the Browse button to get photos from your computer. Next, click on the photos you would like to add. Once you're done selecting photos to add, click on the Upload button. And that's how you add additional photos to your Airbnb listing. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.